How to recover Gmail account without verification code, password, and phone number. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create Login Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your Chrome application. And here type in Gmail recovery. Under here you will see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap onto the first link of Google support. Here go on to community tab. Scroll below and under post or question, tap that option. Enter the short summary of your issue. Once you're done explaining the problem that you are facing, scroll below and tap on select category. Here tap on account access and recovery. Once done, tap on next. Again here, scroll below and tap on next. Now here, choose the platform, tap in Android if you are an Android user, tap on iOS if you are an iOS user, or web if you are using your web. Tap on post. Now after a few seconds, you will receive a Google community email for confirmation and they will get back to you within 24 hours. So all you have to do is wait for their email. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe for more.